Hey, what is going on? So you're looking to join our new construction VIP list for Southwest Florida. Let me tell you why this list is a little bit different than all these other lists that you may be joining. So what we are doing is we are partnering up with all these builders all across Southwest Florida. Some of them are even in the Northport area, and we are gathering up all of their inventory that they are currently building to consolidate them into one centralized location to give all of the buyers that are joining our list the exact advantage that you guys need for this competitive new construction market. The reason why is because a lot of these builders aren't listing their houses until they're near completion. And if you guys have been in the market for a little bit for new construction, you know how competitive this market can be for that perfect house. And what we want to do is give you guys that advantage before all these houses are released onto the open market so that you guys can cherry pick that perfect new construction house that fits your specific needs. So once you guys join this list, what you will be getting is we will email you a current inventory sheet with all the new construction houses that are in Southwest Florida right now with the builders we are partnering with, so you guys can take a browse, you guys can look at them to see if any of the houses match your style and if you guys want to see them in person. And then we'll also be following up with some detailed information about tips for the do's and don'ts of buying new construction, some videos on the pros and cons of new construction, and then we'll also be frequently sending you guys updated lists for the off-market new construction inventory. And at the bottom of all the information that we send you will be our contact information. So if you guys have a specific question for your specific scenario, you guys can reach out to us personally and we can set up a one-on-one time to chat about your specific situation and help you guys navigate the new construction market. But with all of that being said, definitely go and check out our list, and I look forward to chatting with you guys all very soon.